Hi there, my Chrono Feather crew! Get ready for a super exciting adventure today as we zoom into the sky to discover how amazing rockets work. We'll learn how these speedy machines push hot gas to fly up, up, and away into space, and why they don't just fall back down. It's gonna be a blast!
Tibo the Toucan flies so high, swinging through the lush blue sky. Birds of legs dance around, joyful lads, we glad that we found.
I've hidden a little worksheet bonus for you at the end of our journey today. Stick around to see what it is. Did you know rockets use something called thrust to fly? It's like when you blow up a balloon and let it go. Whoosh! The air pushes out one way and the balloon zips off the other way. So how do rockets get into space? They push hot gas out really fast to make them go. That's the secret. Time to set our chrono feathers for adventure. Woohoo! Let's go! Wow, look where we are. We've arrived high above Earth, where rockets zoom. See how tiny our planet looks from way up here. Rockets are special vehicles designed to escape Earth's gravity and travel to the stars, carrying important things like satellites or even brave astronauts. It takes a lot of power to get all the way out here. Did you know a rocket has many important parts, like a super tall building with different rooms? The main engine at the bottom pushes out hot gas. Boosters give an extra push at the start and then fall away like old shoes. And the payload at the very top is what the rocket is carrying into space, like a special delivery. Here's a cool secret. Rockets don't go straight up forever. After launching upwards, they start to curve sideways. Why? Because they need to fall around Earth to stay in space instead of falling back down. It's like throwing a ball really, really fast so it keeps going around you instead of landing at your feet. Woohoo! Rockets need something really powerful to blast off: fuel. Most rockets use special liquids like liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen. When they mix and burn together, they make super hot gas that shoots out of the rocket's engines, pushing it up, up, and away. It's like the world's biggest and hottest whoosh. Once rockets zoom high above Earth, they don't need all their boosters anymore. Those big booster pieces separate and fall away, letting the smaller part of the rocket keep flying into space. Some boosters even float back down to be reused, like rocket recycling. Isn't that smart? All right, my Chrono Feather crew, it's quiz time. What is that thing at the top called again that rockets carry into space? Is it A, payload, B, engines, C, cockpit, or D, oxygen? Now for a Tibo challenge. Can you imagine and draw your very own rocket? What color would it be? What special job would it have in space? Maybe it delivers snacks to astronauts or carries a telescope to see distant stars. Draw your rocket and imagine its adventure. Oh, my feathers! I almost forgot something super important. We talked about rocket pieces falling off. Where do they usually land to keep everyone safe? Let me think. Was it in a giant bowl of spaghetti? No, silly Tibo. They usually fall into the big blue ocean or empty spots on land, far away from people and buildings. Phew, I remembered. Rockets zoom, rockets fly, pushing gas up to the sky. Fuel and oxidizer, a fiery bright show. Up to the stars, off we go. What an amazing adventure we had learning about rockets today! From thrust to curving into orbit, and even where rocket parts land safely, we explored so much! Keep looking up at the sky, my Chrono Feather crew, because there's always more to discover. Don't forget to join back soon for a new episode. If you liked learning with me, give that like button a big peck and flap on over to subscribe so you never miss our next journey. And guess what? I've got free worksheets and activities waiting just for you at TiboTheToucan.com. So spread your wings and keep learning. I'll see you again soon.